You've eaten this countless times.
But how is it made so perfectly every single time?
Inside massive production facilities,
Thousands of burgers are produced every hour.
every part engineered for speed and consistency.
It all begins with the meat.
Ground to a precise consistency. Mixed for uniform texture. Then shaped into patties. Each one identical. Thickness is carefully controlled. Flash frozen to lock freshness. Preserved for transport.
Meanwhile, the buns are prepared.
Baked to a soft golden finish.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Topped with signature details. Cooled for perfect texture. Sliced with precision. Prepared for assembly.
And now, everything comes together.
Now, the cooking begins.
As soon as the meat hits the heat,
It starts to transform.
cooked at a precisely controlled speed,
Temperature is constantly monitored.
As the meat tightens and cooks through,
Then flipped.
To cook both sides evenly.
developing that signature texture.
Perfectly cooked.
Held at optimal temperature.
Keeping them juicy.
Meanwhile, the buns are toasted.
Adding texture and warmth.
Everything moves in sync.
And now, the assembly begins. Sauce applied with precision.
Measured to exact amounts.
Every topping placed perfectly. And then, the patty. The heart of the burger comes together.
Cheese is added.
Melting instantly from the heat. Layered with exact amounts.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Every layer precisely aligned.
And sealed with the top bun. Completing the structure.
A perfectly built burger.
produced at incredible speed.
Every detail engineered. And now ready to be wrapped. Wrapped in seconds. Each fold perfectly aligned. Sealed for freshness. Coated for tracking. Grouped for distribution. Moving at high speed. Stacked for transport.
Thousands prepared every hour.
And sent out across the country.
From the factory floor. Point to delivery routes across entire cities.
Traveling miles every day
To reach locations near you.
And prepared to be served.
And finally, into your hands.
That familiar unwrap.
The first bite.
Layers of flavor engineered.
Every detail carefully controlled.
From raw ingredients
Through heat.
to precise assembly. Dozens of steps, perfectly synchronized. And now, you know how it's made.